I'm here on my back patio. I'm pretty lucky. I have a good sized deck and it has a cover over it, which is great in Kansas because where I live, it's been raining a lot lately, but that's okay. We can have a party out here, rain or shine. And I spent most of yesterday cleaning this patio because it was all dusty from winter, but now it's clean and ready to be decorated, and so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So for this challenge, I've been thinking about decorating my back patio here for a garden party theme. Yesterday, I went to this huge estate sale and I was really excited to find this bag of goodies for only $1. I was pretty sure I knew what they were. I wasn't 100% sure, but it turned out to be right. For $1, I got 10 of these. They look like this. Do y'all know what this is? Well, my guess was that it was a paper lantern and it turned out to be correct. Look at this, you guys. I got 10 of these for $1. They are these Asian paper lanterns. They're in perfect condition. And it just reminded me of, you know that scene from Alice in Wonderland with the unbirthday party? They have the little tea party. And I always wanted to have just like a little garden tea party. So now that I found these little treasures, I gotta figure out what to do with them. And so I thought it would be fun to decorate our back patio for summer. I'm crazy about these paper lanterns. I actually already have a few of them. And these are the larger style and they're battery operated. I don't know if you can see, but they have a little light inside and it lights up. So they're really cute in the evening too, especially when you light them up. For today's DIY, I'll just be using these adorable paper lanterns and some string to hang the lanterns and make it look like a garden party right here on my patio. So here is my outdoor patio space. We have a nice sized deck. Some furniture. Oh, hello. There's Jesse getting into stuff. Hey, bud. What you doing? I measured the space between the two posts where I want to hang my string of lanterns, and it's 77 inches. But I definitely want to cut the string longer than that because I want them to hang a little bit down. There we go. We'll need 2 lengths of string that are about the same. That should do. So since these bigger lanterns have this nice plastic handle, I'm just gonna thread the string through there and have it be our center. Next, I'll thread the little paper lantern through and I'm gonna tie it with a knot and keep doing this as I go down the row. Also, I'm really short, so I'm probably gonna have to get my husband to help me hang this. I got the ladder out, and even with the ladder, I'm not tall enough to reach it. So he's on his way home, gonna get him to help me hang these, and then we will be ready for our garden party. Okay, you guys, our patio is decorated and ready for the garden party. At least that's my fantasy. The reality is my hubby and I are here having sloppy joes. But there is no reason why you can't decorate for a party, even just for two, right babe?
That's right.
And he likes sloppy joes. So you're happy with that, right?
Very happy.
Would you rather have a sloppy joe or a fancy garden party?
Definitely sloppy joes.
Okay. Hey, you can make every day a party, so don't forget that. Make every day a party, make every day special, and now I have a setup for when I do have a garden party. One of these days I'm gonna have a ladies' tea out here, but for now, sloppy joes with my hubby. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys have a happy summer. Bye, y'all.